when my guys here cooked it on my instructions, they got me this one here. Now this one, I tried to estimate and said, suppose I eat something like this for one meal. Okay, something like this. So this one is. Using the information.
250 grams.
This is 250 grams. 250 grams. Not the plate, but the 2,600 grams. 2.6 kilograms. So if you take the other 250, you can get 10 meals out of this. And if you lunch and supper, that will take you 5 days. So I thought we should have that rough. Okay.
His Excellency.